Hello everyone, this is Hina from Soulful Adventures, and today I'm back with our next tarot card reading session for the month of July 2020. It's an official Cancer season and I'm happy to be into this season. It's a very emotional, sentimental, sensitive season which is going to affect, of course, the water signs, especially the Cancer and other signs also. We have Mars in Aries. We have stopped living in the Venus retrograde. So Venus retrograde has been stopped, and yes, Mars in Aries till January. So bigger changes are going to come. I'm here to ask you whether you have subscribed to my channel yet or not. If not, please subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Not only tarot, I am also doing the personality traits of all the zodiac signs, so it would be easy for you to understand your zodiac signs, the personality, the strength, the weakness, and then come and look or identify your proper moon sign, sun sign, which is going to affect you more, and which readings are more accurate, which behavior is more accurate to you, and then go through my tarot card readings. And yes, please like, comment and share these videos. Thank you. So let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, and that is Virgo. Now Virgo is an earth sign, as we all know, but though it's an earth sign, it is very similar to Cancer. Okay, so Cancer is very sensitive, caring, home loving personality kind of zodiac sign. Same is Virgo. It is a feminine sign, yes, and that's the reason it also loves to nurture, care, feel, then think. So they are the energy who loves to feel. So let's see what are the cards for them. Let's just give a shuffle to these cards and let's see what Cancer season has brought for Virgo in the month of July 2020. Okay, now I'll draw some cards. I hope you're able to see these cards. I'll just arrange it so that you can see it clearly. I will draw 6 cards and later I will explain you the position and what each position means. I hope cards are clear to you. Okay, Virgos, if we can see specifically this card, the Fool. Now I'll explain you the position first. These 2 cards is your past energy. 15 days back or 1 month back, what was your energy in the month of June? This is your current energy in the month of July. What situations can come, what your idea of dealing that situation should be, and how you can what are the blessings that you're gonna get, or what are the hurdles you can face. Okay, it may or may not come. As you all know, this is a general reading. Then this is the future analysis of the situations, the cards for them, what can situations be or what your energy should be to deal with them. Okay, so if you see guys, this is the Fool. The Fool is a card, it's a first card of a tarot deck, and it really means a carefree person, a carefree young boy or girl who is set to go on a journey without thinking much and just finding out and exploring new things. So somewhere in the past you guys were trying to find out something new. It was like, let's take this risk, but now I want to be on a new path. I want to study something new. I want to start a new business. I want to go and do a new job or anything new. But you had this carefree attitude. You were enjoying this freedom with no knowledge, or with I can say to explore new avenues and field. In the past some months, or maybe specifically in the month of June, you were really fed up of all this sitting at home and stuck energy, and now I want to pull up my socks and move ahead. So that's the reason you took this leap of faith. You trust your instincts, and that's the reason. Virgos, let me tell you, you are an energy who is full of intuitions and instincts. You are the energy, you are the zodiac sign. You have this kind of vibe that you believe in yourself, and yes, that's a beautiful vibe. You're very determined, being an earth sign, and with this feminine sign you can do multitasking. You have this kind of energy, and with this, by trusting your instincts, by believing in yourself, you took this next step. Okay, again we have Three of Wands. This is again a travel card. So if I can tell you, maybe it can happen, though we are at home and quarantine and every this lockdown period. I feel, guys, some of you may have got a job opportunity or a job change for maybe in another state or another location, but right now you are just working from home, some of the Virgos, or maybe you are interacting with some foreign clients. Yeah, surely. NRIs, I can say sometimes. So, or maybe you might have got an idea or opportunity to go and learn, or go and work in a foreign country after this lockdown finishes, or manage those clients. So maybe because there is a travel card, and we understand now because of lockdown there is no traveling can go on, but yes, it does mean that you're assessing your avenues and fields. So if I'm taking this risk of going ahead, then why not after this year? Why can't I go really very ahead and take new learnings and new business, start new business or new job in an overseas? Okay, or why can't I have an overseas client? So you are really assessing something before you are ready to go. That was your energy in the month of June somewhere, where you were planning something to create, and where you trusted your instincts, and you believed in your passion, your spirits, and you took this leap of faith. So guys, this was the first step, okay, which you had already done in the past. Now we have your current energies as the Moon and Six of Pentacles. Now the Moon is a ruler of Cancer. Okay, and Cancer season is going on, guys. So understand, when the Moon comes in your reading, it really wants to give you a message. Think, be patient. Now you have already started this journey, and now the situation is like that you need to take certain decisions, and you cannot take any decisions in haste, right? You need to calm down and take decisions. Think properly, think all these sides. What would be my negative consequences, what would be my positive consequences if I start a new business, if I start a new job, if I am starting a new hobby or starting a new subject to learn, or a new idea. What if I am investing so much money, and what really it will give me fruits or not? Am I doing a right decision, or what am I doing? Or this kind of things you need to check currently. So now is the month where you have already begun in the June, right, or in the May. You have decided that I'm going to take this forward leap and I'm going to start. I'm not going to wait now. In the month of July, you need to think properly. What you need to think? You need to think, how am I going to raise my earnings? How am I going to raise, how to increase my profits? because this Six of Pentacles is a card where there is a raise in money. Either your salary is increasing, either you are getting a good job opportunity, a better job opportunity, or a good business deal. So please think before investing your time and energy. Also, when the Moon card comes in a Cancer month, month also means that you need to emotionally also invest yourself, right? So you need to take care of yourself. Think quietly at one place. This month is all about how you connect emotionally with yourself, the self love month, and how you give the kindness, care, and that love to other persons. So try and sit down quietly, calmly, think about all the past memories. Is there these memories, are they helpful to you, are they useful to you right now? If not, just overlook them, just dispose them off and start a new beginning, because you need to focus on your business, on your work, on your emotional investment, how you can increase it, whether it is wealth, whether it is love, or whether it is self love for yourself. Don't invest somewhere where there is your loss. Okay, think properly. This is the month to think and invest. And there is a raise in money or salary. So yes, I'll tell you that this is a positive month if you're thinking of a new business. But think before starting something new. Just because your friends are telling, just because you need to start something because of you're fed up or bored, don't do it. Do it for yourself, and do it with proper thoughts and proper thinking and proper decisions. Okay, now you have the Sun and Two of Pentacles in your future energies or future situation. Guys, the Sun is a Leo card. So obviously in the month of coming August, July end or August, it's a Leo season. So that's one of the best, I can tell you, card you got in your future situation. Guys, have you noticed 18th and 19th card? Moon is a Cancer card, and yes, it has come. Well, the Sun is a Leo card, which has also come. So at right place, at right time, you have got these cards, guys. As you all know, Virgos are perfect, so I think cards are also perfect somewhere or the other for you. So the Sun is a marriage card. So if you're thinking of any serious relationships, yes, there is a chance that you would be ending up into a marriage. Or if you are thinking about a marriage plans in the month of August or September, yes, you can marry. That's a good time to marry, as per the tarot card, in your future situation. Other than that, there is a happiness and bright prospect. So if, as I told you, you took proper decision, proper thinking, and invested in proper business, guys, you are going to get this bright future about it. So this is your present thing. Presently, you think properly. Future, you are harvesting a good fruit of it. Okay, then there is Two of Pentacles. Again, in the month of August or September, somewhere you will have choices, right? So think properly, and it is regarding your wealth and finance. Okay, so while choosing a decision, you have always been into a choices, Virgos. So think properly. There can be situations where you get confused. It can be money confusions, or confusion between two people, or confusion between two ideas, two businesses, two jobs, or something. Take your own time and think. But I think, as there is a Sun card, or in on top of this card, we will look at the major Arcana card. The bright future is on the way if you take this decision properly and start investing or start making money out of your own decision, and not why people tell. Okay, self love is very important. Be kind to others in this month. This is what universe wants to tell you. And also, there would be some emotional ups and downs in this month. That's the reason you need to take little aback, sit calmly, and maybe meditate or talk to yourself. And self love is very important in this month. While in the month of coming August, or maybe few weeks of July, last few weeks, you have a bright prospect. Enjoy as much as you can in the month of August. Okay, but at the same time, make time to decide what a proper choice would be. Okay, so also your overall energy, guys, is Two of Cups. The bottom of the deck is Two of Cups. So again, I said you the Sun card is a marriage card, so Two of Cups is a soulmate energy. Yes, so this month is full of emotions. Cancer month, you need to invest emotionally also. If you guys love yourself, then you can love others, right? And if there is some person coming into your life in this month, maybe this is the soulmate you were waiting for. So try to invest emotions for yourself while for the other person, but think and then go ahead. Okay, with this we would be meeting in the next month with our future readings of August month, Leo season, and that would be special. Why, I will tell that in the next videos of August. Till then, bye bye, thank you.